Hello everyone. Here is the solution for the following question. I'd put this out on my Twitter. It's a bit of a tricky question, so please pause the video and take your time to analyze it carefully. Alright, so now that you've thought about it, I'll tell you the answer. The answer is holiday. Surprising. This might be pretty surprising, but that's the answer. I'll explain now in detail. Let's do it. Let's observe the code. Here, let's take a closer look. Check holiday is a function we've defined. We set today as Monday. Then, we call the function. In the function, we check a certain condition. Day is equal to Saturday or Sunday. This is where things get really interesting. Day is equal to Saturday or Sunday. Looks like we're checking if day is Saturday or Sunday, but that's not it. How does the evaluation work? As per precedence rules, precedence of double equal is higher than that of the OR operator. As a result, is equal to gets evaluated before the OR operator. So the condition expression is equivalent to the following. Day is equal to Saturday gets evaluated first, then OR operator is applied. Bracketed expression is false if day is Monday, but the bracketed expression's value simply doesn't matter. Do you see why? That's because the OR operator is going to act on it with Sunday, and Sunday is a non-empty string. Therefore, Sunday is truthy. So, anything OR with Sunday would be truthy. So, the if condition, day is equal to Saturday or Sunday, is always truthy, no matter what day is. So, the if block is always executed. Therefore, it's always going to return holiday. And that's even if day is set as Monday. That's the output. Every day is a holiday. But if you hate infinite holidays, you can fix the code, thus change the condition because that's where the bug is. Instead of day is equal to Saturday or Sunday, make it day is equal to Saturday or day is equal to Sunday. This code checks two separate conditions. Is day equal to Saturday? Is day equal to Sunday, and combines them with OR operator. So, the combined condition is true only if day is either Saturday or Sunday, and the corrected code outputs workday from Monday. Always remember to check your operators and precedence. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Also share your thoughts in the comments. Highly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.